Welcome back. Let's learn how to train our model and generate predictions using built-in tools from pipelinetools.py. In the previous video, participants learned how to construct the x and y variables in sections 3 and 4 of the notebook. After generating these variables, the next step is to merge x_d, f, and y_df into a single data frame, df. This data frame is then split row-wise into a training set, x-y-train, and a prediction set, x-predict. X-y-train should cover the training date range and include keys, x variables, and the y variable. Meanwhile, x-predict should span the prediction date range and contain only the keys and x variables. Using the base alpha pipeline class from the PyAlpha package, specifically in section 5.2 of the notebook, we'll demonstrate how to train a light GBM model and generate predictions. First, we import the pipeline tools as pipe tools to access the base alpha pipeline class. We then initialize the pipeline with the parameters needed to guide our training and prediction process. Pred start date and pred end date define the prediction window. RefitFreak sets how often the model should be retrained: monthly, M, quarterly, Q, or yearly, Y. Holding period determines how long we hold each position. Train lookback years and X days lookback specify how much historical data we include when training. Train params holds hyperparameters for fine-tuning the light GBM model. And finally, outdir indicates the directory where the model outputs will be saved. Next, we call the pipeline's train method, providing our training dataset, x-y-train, the feature columns, x variables, the target variable, y via r, additional parameters, like training weights if needed. After training completes, we use export model to save our newly trained model to outdir. Setting export importances equals true also outputs feature importance metrics, which come in handy for evaluating which features drive our predictions. With the model ready, we generate predictions by calling the pipeline's predict method on the xpredict dataset, then use export predictions to store the results in the specified directory structure. Upon successful completion, you'll see two main folders. Models contains subfolders named by the date format YYYYMM, each holding your trained model, a bar chart of feature importances, and a CSV detailing the importance of each feature. YPred, also organized by date, each subfolder contains daily prediction results in CSV format. That's all it takes to train and export a light GBM model using base alpha pipeline. In the next video, we'll cover how to scale this process for multiple refit periods through parallelization, ensuring your models stay current with ever-changing market conditions.